Hi guys, this is the Furious Fitwear Door Gym, the small version. I've never actually assembled this myself, so we're gonna give this a go together and find out just how easy this actually is to put together. Okay, so this says that there's no tools required, no drills, no nothing, anything like that. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 separate pieces, all carefully wrapped. And then you've got your little bag of screws and nuts and bolts and things in here. There. All right, we've got some instructions. We also have a 12-week door gym training program that comes inside of this free of charge. So that's an awesome little bonus there. You also get access to bonus personal trainer workout videos. So definitely worth checking out. Assembly is on the back. I don't know if you can see that quite clearly, but it looks super simple. There's not a lot to these instructions. Assembly. It easily attaches to standard door frames 24 inches to 32 inches. Gives you a little parts list here so you can make sure you've got everything that's included. Installation comes with 4 parts as well, so that seems pretty easy. I think all we're gonna do is just follow these little dots and start putting some things together. Pieces are actually really light as well, so it's not going to be bulky or heavy or hard for you to do yourself. Durable, they feel strong. These grips are actually really padded. They're soft as well. It's not that fake kind of cheap foam where you can feel the metal underneath it. This actually has some cushion to it. Easy peasy, done. That took me maybe all of 10 minutes because I like to read the instructions thoroughly. It's honestly one of the simplest things I've ever put together, especially if you've bought IKEA furniture. So there you have it, Furious Fitwear Door Gym. Super easy, it's light, it's durable, anyone can put it together, no tools required. Enjoy.